How to fix Google Earth black screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Earth black screen on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and now just type here Google Earth, type just Earth and you will find it. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then go to storage, clear data. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, so just go back to Play Store and update your Google Earth, click update and then restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.